If you've ever found yourself looking at your Disney Plus account and noticed a movie or show sitting in the continue watching section that you're no longer interested in, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to remove things from your continue watching list. Alright, let's get to it. Here's how to remove a show or movie from the continue watching list. You can do this on both your phone and computer. First things first, open Disney Plus. After that, simply sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Home tab and scroll down until you find the Continue Watching section. This will show all the shows and movies you've started. Find the show or movie that you want to remove. Once you find it, press and hold the title for a few seconds. A menu will pop up with a few options. Tap on Remove from Continue Watching and that's it. The show or movie will be removed from your list. And that's all it takes. The movie or show will no longer show up in your continue watching section, keeping your list nice and clean. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.